What's up, YouTube? It's me again, Miss Mocha. Came to give you guys some drama. I got a friend. She's going through a situation. She wanted to know how to get back at a heartbreaker. And I'm going to tell her. You understand? Now, I'm going to just do 10 ways to get back at a heartbreaker. Trust me, I have so many ways to get back at a heartbreaker. Trust me. They don't want none of this. You break my heart, it's on. It's a done daughter. You understand? First thing I'm going to do, if you break my heart, I'm going to expose you on Facebook. Yeah. I'm going to tell everybody you're on Facebook that what you did. All of it. All of it. Okay. Second thing I'm going to do, I'm going to give your number out to every dude that tries to talk to me. But I'm going to tell them my name, your number. How you like that? They're going to be calling you asking for me, Ms. Mocha. How about that? You like that? I do. Third thing I'm going to do, I'm going to flatten 3 of your tires. I know that your deductible is only $500, and your insurance is not going to cover it if I only flatten 4. If I only flatten 3, because they would cover it if I flatten 4. I'm not stupid. Very, very smart. I just look like this. How about that? You like that, huh? The fourth thing I'm going to do, I'm going to show up at your job with a nasty little baby that's not even yours, and I'm going to tell everybody that you're not paying your child support. The $75 that the court told you to pay me, you're not giving me. Yeah, I'm going to do that. The fifth thing I'm going to do, all my ugly friends, when we break up, I'm going to let them know, hey, you know what? We broke up because of you, and he wants to date you. And I'm just going to give them your number. How about that? And they're going to stalk you. How about that? So, no restraining orders for me. The sixth thing I'm going to do, I'm going to order Playgirl magazines in your name and have them sent to your job and your mother's house. How about that? You like that? Yeah, I know. I'm going to do that. The seventh thing I'm going to do, I'm going to hack into your Facebook profile, and I'm going to say, as if I'm you, that I'm gay. And then guess what I'm going to do? I'm going to edit photos of you with your gay lover. What do you think about that? How you like that? Then you're going to think twice about breaking somebody's heart, huh? Okay. The eighth thing I'm going to do, once you get your 3 tires fixed, I'm going to do it again if I don't get caught the first time. How you like that? All right. The ninth thing I'm going to do, I'm going to have your car towed while you're on a date. How about that? How about that? Both of you guys will be walking. Oh, yeah. It might do it while you're at the club. That's the worst. Coming out of the club at 3 o'clock in the morning drunk, you can't find your car. What are you going to do? What are you going to do? Anyways, don't break my heart. And the last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to date your friends. I might not do that because that's kind of messed up, you know. But, I mean, the rest of the stuff, I might not do either because all this stuff is crazy. I mean, I might do some of it. I've done some of it. Not all of it. Okay, I'm talking too much. Police might find out. All right, well, that's how you get back at a heartbreaker. Good luck, ladies. Use your discretion. Don't take this stuff too seriously because, trust me, I don't.